Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to set up for Google Authenticator. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type myaccount.google.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my Google account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, as you can see, this is my account, and on the left hand side, there are some options like this, like personal info and everything. Let's simply go to security right here. Once you're in the security page, worry not, just scroll down till you see something like Authenticator. Click on this button right here, then something like this will pop up. Google will prompt you to enter your password to confirm whether it's actually you or not. Let's enter our password right now. Once you've entered it, simply hit on next. Now something like this will open up. It's the Authenticator app. And right here at the below, there's a button called as Set Up Authenticator. Click on this button right here, and do note that I already have Google Authenticator installed in my mobile device. Now a QR code like this will open up. Simply scan it from the Authenticator app in your mobile device. Once you've scanned it from your mobile device, simply click on Next, and right here enter the OTP that's provided in the Authenticator app. Once you've entered it, simply click on Verify. And guys, that's it. That's how you set up Authenticator application. It's as easy as that. Do note that you can also change the Authenticator app from right here, or you can also delete it. Hope you guys liked this and found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.